Hey, it's day 20. I weighed this morning 209.4. So I want to be at 209 this weekend. It's this weekend and I'm at 209. So actually almost 208. So I'm thinking by next week, I'm hoping that I would be at at least 198. That'd be good, be in the ones. And then only have 18 more pounds to go after that. So right now I have 30 pounds to go. I don't know if I want to go 30 pounds or not. I don't know. I'm losing my stomach, so maybe 20 pounds, maybe 190. I don't know. We'll see. But it depends on my pants and my shirts. All these shirts here were tight. They were real tight. So now everything's getting looser. So it's working out good. But anyway, I gotta make a bunch of videos today, a bunch of different videos about different things. So I am going to go put on my window regulator switch on my truck and then fix the ground, and then I'm going to, hopefully it works in four-wheel drive, and then I'm going to clean up the mess from cutting all the stuff down in the front yard. And then we're gonna have a nice bonfire today. So anyway, I'm gonna take dose 19, or no, 19, is it 19? I don't know, dose 20, dose 40, dose 39, dose 39. So it gets confusing. But anyway, dose 39, and then eat something. Not sure what yet, but something. There we go. Dose 39. Alright, there we go. And I bought some new beanies. I only had one, it really wasn't a beanie. So I went and bought me some beanies. Like a royal blue, a green, and a gray. So, and this one. One size fits all. So anyway, I'm going to get to work, and I will see you all tonight when I do my dose 40. So see you then.